What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another video to help you make money online. The best way I've found to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is very easy to start, it's easy to promote, and if you're wondering what affiliate marketing is, it's pretty much promoting other people's products for a profit. This profit comes from people purchasing through your link. So you'll get a link, like a URL, and when you post your link on YouTube or Facebook or in a blog or whatever, and someone goes to a particular website that you're promoting and they purchase something, you get a certain percentage commission based on the agreement between you and the company. Now, different companies have different rates, but before we jump into all that stuff, we're going to be focusing on how to find affiliate programs. Now, affiliate marketing has come a long way since its inception, and many companies are now affiliated with promoters through influencers and other avenues. So you might be wondering, how do I find products to promote? I don't know where to start. Oh my gosh, this is so overwhelming. Well, it's really simple. All you have to do is go to your browser and type in, here are some words you can type in: companies with affiliate programs. See that? Enter. Okay. And you can see blogs. This one is a blog. You can see lists. You will find people suggesting different companies that have affiliate programs. Now, if you're into Forex Referral has an affiliate program. Well, this is somebody's website, their blog. So you can do it that way. You can look for products based on your niche, or niche, whichever way you pronounce it depending on where you're living. Let's say you were in fitness and you wanted a fitness affiliate program. There's fitness supplement affiliate programs, there's fitness apparel affiliate programs, fitness clothing, fitness equipment. Let's look at, I think one of the more popular ones, let's look at apparel. Okay, so there are many people who have Instagram channels, YouTube channels, blogs and so forth, and they do a lot of fitness stuff and they have a very strong following. And especially with the pandemic, more and more people were trying to get stuff online, right? More people were glued to their phones, their screens. More people wanted to stay healthy, as they couldn't go outside and ride their bicycles, as they couldn't go hiking, as they couldn't go swimming anymore. And so a lot of affiliates were actually milking it, because people were seeing, even if they weren't in shape, they were starting to buy clothing so they could work out from home. So this person is saying, whether you go to the gym or whether you run, practice yoga, whatever, the clothing you wear matters. And one thing you'll notice is each time they write about a particular topic, places like here where you see this green word with an underline, that's a link, right? And this link will take you to whatever information she posted here. Okay, so if you were to look in the corner of the screen here, if you keep looking here, you will see it says www.statista.com. The statistics for this particular topic is right there. Now you're asking about affiliates. Okay, these are all the brands that have affiliate programs as cited by this blogger: Love Fitness Apparel, Under Armour, Prep Sportswear, Nimble Activewear, Hanes, Nike, Champion, Ascend Sportswear, Third Rock, Sweaty Betty. Okay, so what we can do is we can use her table of contents, and let's go to Hanes. So we press Hanes, it takes us to the Hanes portion of her blog. And here she's actually saying that when you are when you sign up for the Haynes affiliate program, you will get a 4% commission. So each time you sell $1, you get 4 cents. Alright? Cool. So then she goes on and she explains how the program works, and in order to sign up for that program, you follow this link. Let's click that link. So we click on that link. The Haynes.com, if you notice, you'll see Haynes.com/affiliate program. Welcome to our Haynes.com affiliate program. Okay. So read and accept their affiliate network operating agreement. Okay. So that's their agreement. Complete an application, and then you can literally just sign up. Alright. So let's go back to the blog. Nike also has one. They give 11% commission. So out of $1 you get 11 cents. If you sell $100 worth of product, you get $11. If you sell $1,000 worth of product, you get $111 or $110. This site has a cookie. What that means is that every time a person clicks on your affiliate link, not only will you get a commission if they purchase, but they will also have a little advertisement. You see how you see this advert right here, or this ad pops up over here? You will be able to, that person who clicks on your link will experience the ad popping up repeatedly. It will follow them wherever they go on the website, on the web, for 30 days. If they go into Amazon, if they go onto Betty Crocker, if they go onto any random site, these ads will pop up, and when they click, it will take them back to Nike where they can purchase something, and you will get your commission. Amazing, right? So some affiliate programs have quirks like these where they help you make money because they want to make money. Alright? Champion is another, and so on and so on. See, you kind of get the gist. If you are someone who was into fashion, no, sportswear and fashion are kind of similar. Let's look for something like travel affiliate programs. Okay? Remarkably, nowadays, almost every industry you look at, there is an affiliate marketing program for that company. And the reason people are realizing that everybody has a strong circle of friends and decent sized following, and it is more cost effective to go through an affiliate than to put ads on a billboard where not everyone will see, and most people who see won't even think to purchase. Now, if you are an influencer, someone who people follow, they trust your advice on what's good and what isn't, when they hear you, an authority on a particular topic, say that this program is good, people will trust that person. Okay? Now, all of these blogs, as you can see, will talk about affiliate programs that they consider the best. So Diggity Marketing says, what are the best travel affiliate programs? And if you read through, you will realize Travel Payouts, CJ Affiliate, and CJ Affiliate is actually a website that is a collection of affiliate programs. So if you want to check out CJ Affiliate, it's cjaffiliate.com. You sign up, and once you get approved, you have access to a myriad of affiliate programs that you can promote from home, from the beach, from anywhere in the world. And whenever you make a sale, you will get a commission based on the percentage that that company has set for you. So I'm trying to find that table of contents page again, but I'm pretty sure I have gone way past it. Travel Payouts is one. Okay, so if you are a travel vlogger, you can actually promote these programs. Okay, and again, CJ Affiliate is one of the world's largest affiliate networks. They have paid out more than 1.5 billion in commissions every year to travel vloggers. Okay, TripAdvisor has an affiliate program. All right. You can even get a flat commission based on the number of clicks sent to TripAdvisor. Affiliate marketing publishers who send fewer than 1,000 clicks per month are earning $550 per month from this one program. Okay, you get 50% commission. They have a 14-day cookie duration, and the cookie again is that thing like this that follows you around every website you go on. You will see the ad on the side of your screen or somewhere on the screen. Okay. So, yeah, a random topic. Let's look at automotive. Automotive affiliate programs. Okay. Oops. Autobarn.com, commission 8%, cookie period 45 days. A cookie is that, again, that piece of software that allows the advertisement to follow you whenever you go on the web. You'll have the person who clicks on your link with this will experience 45 days worth of that. Auto anything, buy auto parts, AutoZone, Avis, Tire Rack, Advanced Auto Parts, Pep Boys, and again, these are just this is just a list of some places that have affiliate programs, but again, there are marketplaces like ClickFunnels, like CJ Affiliate, like JVZoo, that is just an assembly of various sellers who have affiliate programs. Now, the thing with CJ affiliates, they tend to have a lot of established companies on their program. American Airlines, you just saw TripAdvisor, you'll probably see Nike, you'll see all these companies on CJ affiliates willing to allow you to promote their products for them in exchange for a commission. Now, it doesn't cost more to promote a product that costs a lot of money, and it doesn't cost, and it costs the same amount of money to promote a high value product as it does a low value product. And so a lot of people will look for what's called high ticket products. Okay, emphasis on high ticket. High ticket just means high cost or high value, and high value usually means high cost. So high ticket automotive affiliate programs will yield you a different result. Okay, watch this. Kinsta, Shopify, HubSpot, Cloudways, Luxury Card. Okay, Villiers Jets. Let's look at this real quick. Oceanscape Yachts. Let's do this. Villiers Jets. Okay. Private jet charter, bespoke private jet hire, online. Villiers, we click on that. VilliersJets.com. And if you've never heard of them, they again are a company that allows people to book private flights to various destinations. And from my understanding, if you can book someone for one private flight, depending on how far the travel is, you can get, was it $5,000 per sale or $10,000, somewhere there. Each private flight will cost maybe $50,000. Okay, and so your commission would be roughly $10,000 from that sale. So $10,000 from one sale. All right. So here's an example. From New York to Dublin. Okay. Late August, you're looking from $7,005 per seat. And these are just per seat prices that they have from various cities to other countries or cities of other countries. Okay, so it could be between countries within the US. It could be flights between cities of the same country, or from cities in one country to another. Look at this. If you're flying from London to Cancun, your ticket per seat would be $12,285 per dollars. And as an affiliate, depending on what the percentage is, you will get a cut of that price. So for example, if you are getting a 30% commission, all right, you would be looking to earn $3,677 at 30%. Amazing, right? From one sale for this particular seat. And so you can rest assured that if you find the right products, you can promote these products to make a very decent living per month. Now imagine if you're promoting several of these products. Now the sales for higher ticket products don't always go as quickly, but when you find the right ones, one sale per month is enough. You can make $10,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 from one sale from the right program, and you're good to live off that for a month, depending on where you live or the lifestyle that you live. Now if you have several of these programs being promoted at the same time, then that's a different story. You could have several $1,000 commissions coming in. Alright, so if you are worried that, oh, the affiliate marketing game is so saturated, oh my gosh, I want to start a business but I don't know what product to promote or what product to sell, oh my gosh, this is so hard, there's like literally 1,000 people, right? One, affiliate marketing is really easy. If you want to learn how, click the link in the description below. Follow that link, select the first option, and that's the best business model you could ever look at. 2, the market is saturated. No, it's not. There are 7 billion people in the world, and every day somebody is introduced to the internet. Every day somebody new is introduced to the internet. Okay? You cannot run out of people to market to. There are people in over 140 countries throughout the world, and in every country there is somebody who has money to spend on some product that you have to promote. But I don't know where to start. Well, click the link in the description below. Select the option that talks about the best business model to start. It's free to click, it's free to watch the video, it's free to learn. Check it out. Invest in yourself. And simple searches like the ones I just showed you will reveal that there are tons of programs out there that you can promote and make a killing from. You can make a decent living from these affiliate programs. Companies want you to promote their products because the more money you make, the more money they make. Okay? So this is just a bit of an introduction into how to find programs to promote. I myself am an affiliate marketer. It is one of the best business models you can start today. You can start from your home in literally a day or two. I kid you not. So invest in yourself. Click the link in the description below. I'll see you on the other side. Let me know what you think. Let me know where you're watching this from. All the success to you. Please continue to stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.